Hey guys, today I'm with an Abarth ESSE. I'm in Herzliya, and I wanted to explain about this car a little bit because lots of people have been telling me that this is just a Fiat 500 with nice bumpers and a loud exhaust, and that's not the case. So anyway, this is Yuval's car.
Hi.
And tell us about it.
Yeah, so basically it's based off the Fiat 500, the regular one. What actually happens is Abarth takes these cars, they produce them themselves, and
they totally change everything.
Yeah, basically they take another engine, a different one. It's a 1.4 liter turbocharged engine,
Yeah.
4-cylinder. The basic Abarth comes with 135 horsepower. This one is equipped with the ESSE ESSE package. They install it here before delivery. It consists of an upgrade to the engine, a different map, takes it to 160 horsepower.
Wow.
The other stuff are 17-inch rims, which are unique to the ESSE ESSE package. These days you can get them with the Competizione when you order it. You have also Koni shocks FSD up front. The car handles a lot better. It sounds
And
much
it weighs
better.
slightly more than a ton, so it's basically like the power to weight ratio is insane.
Yeah, the ratio is pretty good since you get like a ton with the driver and you have 160 horsepower to push it. Yeah, you can have fun with this car pretty easily.
So, as you heard, there's a very big difference between the standard Fiat 500 and this little car here, which is an absolute beast of a car.
Yeah, as you can see, it has totally different bumpers, it has a spoiler.
And its characteristics are also like totally different.
Yeah, it's no longer a regular girlish city car.
Yeah.
It can be a really good daily car that you can take around, stand in traffic and everything, because it's pretty controllable.
Yeah.
The difference is you can also have fun with it. You can drive pretty quickly, yeah, make some noise and go fast.
Yep. And it looks awesome. I think it looks insane.
Yeah, it does look awesome. It's one league above the Fiat 500.
Yep, it is.
Basically.
It actually is. So, do you want to go for a drive?
Yeah, sure, let's go.
So, this is the second take of the Abarth video because we came too late and it got dark last time.
Yeah.
So, do you want to tell us about how the car handles? How does it work?
You know, it's as much as a cart as you can get. People expect it to handle like an ordinary Fiat 500, and it's pretty much different. It's a lot lower, a lot stiffer, with the Koni FSDs. The wheels are much bigger, 17 inches, and the tires are really pretty small.
They are small.
So you pretty much feel anything on the road.
What does the sport mode do to the steering? Does it change anything?
Yeah, basically sport mode lets you use all of the torque this car can give. It makes the steering wheel a lot stiffer. You can't really use it in the city in an everyday use.
More for mountain roads, like.
Yeah, you need both of your hands. One hand is not enough for sport mode actually. People that have no interest in cars that buy the Abarth probably never use this mode, sport mode. Yeah, when you need it, it's just another daily car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's see some riding shots and some flybys. Siya na mas liquid yan. Wow, those pops. Yep. That is one capable car. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That was the Abarth. Big thanks to Yuval for letting me film with his car, and I'll see you on the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more, and I hope you enjoyed. Peace.